Welcome to Protect Nature. Today, we embark on an emotional journey, facing the terrifying power of nature. From devastating earthquakes to tsunamis that swallow everything in an instant, we will witness the brutal destruction and the fragility of human life. These terrifying moments will not only send chills down our spines, but also remind us of our responsibility to protect our planet. Let's experience 60 unforgettable moments to gain a deeper understanding of the importance of preserving the environment. Are you ready for this challenging journey? Wherever the center of the storm moves, that place becomes the most devastating area. They were like electric sparks streaking across the sky. The power of this tornado is so great, it is blowing away everything around it. The icebergs have cracked and sunk deep into the sea. Heavy snowfall covered all the roads, making travel even more difficult. Oh my God, it's scary. This dust whirlwind is like a millstone, grinding everything around it. Cars and motorbikes were deeply submerged. Only a few parts remained above the water. The storm can level an entire residential area in just a few hours. The whole building suddenly collapsed and turned into a giant pile of rubble. The strong stream of water swept away entire houses. Dark clouds billow around the top of the tornado, creating an impressive twisted shape. Cold stones fell rushing, hitting the roofs and streets. The large iceberg gradually melted and began to sink into the deep sea. The sound of firewood crackling echoed throughout the burning forest. Oh no! The roof was destroyed by the storm. The floodwaters flowed fast, strong and uncontrollable, sweeping away everything on the road. Lightning streaked across the sky. Their cries sounded like screams in the air. Strong winds blew everything on the road, uprooted trees and toppled houses. Hail makes a deafening clicking sound as the small stones hit the glass. The destructive force of this storm was so strong that the trees could no longer withstand it. The red volcano was boiling violently, white smoke billowing out to cover the sky. The loud explosion from the crater echoed throughout the area, like the sound of an earthquake. The floors of the building collapsed one after another, creating a devastating domino effect. Cars and motorbikes were submerged deep in the water. Only the top part was visible above the water. Bright red lava flows down the mountainside, creating a bright stream of fire. This storm is too strong. Everything cannot restrain the storm's power. A giant block of ice is separating from the iceberg and collapsing to the ground. The storm swept through, leaving behind a scene of devastation. Houses and trees collapsed. After the hailstorm, the ground was covered with stones as white as snow. Soil and rocks are gradually falling from the mountains. The flood destroyed the road, making it impossible for traffic to move. The storm passed, leaving behind a scene of devastation with ruined houses and trees. The building collapsed, turning what was once a solid structure into a chaotic pile of ruins. In just a split second, the house turned into ruins. The flood swept away all the rocks and trees on their path. The tsunami was so fierce that it swept away all the boats around it. The tsunami hit the city. They submerged everything in the wave. The air became suddenly cold as ice particles fell thickly. A tsunami as high as a building came, swallowing everything on the coast. Tall, ancient trees were burned and collapsed under the heat of the fire. The green leaves quickly turned into ash when the fire burned everything. Oh my God, the house was destroyed by the current. The black tornado is gradually growing stronger. It's scary. Light from the volcano illuminates the night sky, creating a mysterious and scary scene. The fierce red fire burning the forest is truly terrifying. The fire moved uncontrollably, spreading at breakneck speed. White smoke billowed high, covering the sky like a gloomy curtain. Storms cause rapid pressure drops, causing pain and discomfort in people's ears. Join Protect Nature as we continue our journey to explore the extraordinary power and great challenges nature bestows upon us. The upcoming moments of wonder will not only amaze you, but also awaken a deep love for Earth, sparking a desire to protect this green planet. If this message touches your heart, spread it by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel to accompany us on these inspiring adventures where we witness nature's raw beauty. Let's unite in protecting humanity's only home, working together to create a better world for future generations. See you on the next magical journey.